corner, I can barely make out anything besides this overwhelming sound in my doubts. Every day's like a fight to find the knob and turn it down. Drown it out with any feel that I can find in this house. I'm starting to feel like my mom when I was younger. Maybe it's genetic. Maybe she was really taking all the shit to fix the headache. Tell me that it's so kill you when you let it. But the question is the me or all the voices in my head that say it. I'm sitting down on my shoulder trying to test my faith. Never take me credit for all of this mess I've made. I need a double barrel pillow just to rest my brain. So one more time, let's sing that shit loud. It gets so loud inside my head. And that's the sound of me falling into another chance, just trying to find out. Is it just in my head, or can you hear it? All right, Philly. Now every silent moment, the voice inside me grows. It used to keep me company, but now when I'm alone, it gets so loud inside my head. There it is, let's go. And that's the sound of me falling into another attempt, trying to find out. Is it just in my head, or can you hear it now? Thank you so much. Cody. I'm feeling good right now. You feeling good, Philly? You feeling good? Cody, you feeling good?
Other than being super hot, yes, I feel fucking amazing.
Everybody thinks you're super hot, Cody. Thanks.
It's super hot, man. Love you, Philly. Thank you.
Andrew, you feeling good? Maddie, are you feeling good? All right. Hold on, let me show. Okay, I'm feeling good. Philly's feeling good. Maddie's feeling good. They're both feeling good. I guess maybe it's time we talk about some good things.
Where did all the good things go? They used to get me high when I needed them the most. I wanna know, is all I've been a broken thing?
That's it.
Is it just me?
Let's do that.
I wanna know.
Why I feel like this, like I'm alone in the world, I don't fit my skin. I'm afraid of the day, so I don't wanna talk and the wait so much, I'm never gonna stop. Looking at everything and constant real. When I trade in the cake for pills, how come I don't feel the things I used to feel? I lost that trust in myself. Tell me, will I ever be significant to someone if I don't feel like I'm worthy of looking at everything I've done? I wanna know when I started this up and thinking, believing the shit I tell myself, pulling it from everyone. I wanna know if this is really forever, but I'm just effective, but when I get better, if I can let it go. Let me see those hands up in the sky like 1, 2, 3, let's go.
Where did all the good things go? They used to get me high when I needed them the most. I wanna know, is all of me a broken thing? Is it just me? I wanna know.
Okay, I'm fly for the fabric and just got staying for the things that have happened. We spent enough time lost in the tragic and mask the pain. I might have lost all the I don't wanna take drugs just to feel like I used to. Never knew this was all that it takes. Are you with us, Billy? Am I the only one on? Am I the only one that thinking about me? I'm falling apart. Dance around and be like, can you tell me?
I was like that. All the good things go. They used to get me high when I needed them the most. I wanna know, it's all on me, a broken thing. Is it just me?
Listen, Philly, I know we've asked a lot of you guys tonight. Can I ask you for one last thing? Can I have you guys just get low, just for a second? All the way in the back, it's only for a moment. As soon as I count to 3, we're gonna make this room bounce, okay? 1, 2, 3, let's go! Listen, Philly, we come to places like this and people like you to find those good things we thought we lost a long time ago. Are you with us for that? One more time, let me hear you do this.
I wanna know.
Seen a lot of people out here that I've been seeing like come to shows for years, man. Like OG fans in the house. I appreciate you guys, man. Like y'all are the best, man. Like this doesn't happen without you guys coming to these shows. Back when we were playing like the Stanhope House in Jersey, when there was like 10 people that showed up and shit, man.
Stanhope's lit though.
I'm sure it is. It was not that night, but I'm sure it does get lit up in Stanhope. But at that particular time, there was not much litness happening. But I appreciate, like, it's the entire journey of us getting here, man, and being in this spot, and we don't get here without a foundation that's fucking unshakable, and you guys are absolutely amazing. It means the world to us. And not only that, but there's a lot of new people in the house tonight that we haven't met before, and it's amazing that you're here, and we appreciate you coming out. We appreciate you spending your hearts and your hard-earned money coming out, giving us your time. I know how important and how valuable time and attention is, and for you guys giving that to us for the last, like, hour and a half has been absolutely incredible, and I thank you so much, man. Thank you. And this next one I originally thought was for the OGs, but we're finding out that it's really just the one that just spans the entire spectrum, and I'm not even sure how that ended up happening with this fucking song.
It's the one we can't escape.
So if you know it, Philly, sing it with us. It goes like this, okay? You know that one? Do it louder? A little bit louder, Philly. One more time, loud as fuck. There it is, let's go side to side. Let's do it. Living the lines, got a feeling I'm feeling this mind. From beginning to ending of time, I'm just fucking around with these rhymes. They're looking for something that better to get to the stage, and I'm feeling the rocket, and every word of the song in the pocket, and credit is kids, and they rockin' on top. I'm skipping around and getting the comments and trying to love it, and really, but honest, it's something I'm rocking, and looking, it's not some reason I love like a beautiful kind of comparing the shit in my soul. Trying to stay on my phone, time ticking away, and I know I only got one to go. Home on a Saturday night is not giving a fuck. I'm not feeling my cup of politeness. He got as a 7 of us as a rebel academy. Gotta be kidding me, man. They fuck to be shitting. They give me the Rebels Academy. But that's alright. I'm feeling this life and it's taking 100 feet from it. I'm saying we surfing memories, yo. I can never find a show. With my girl, we rather be fucking before we find my own. That's alright. I would take some head over this club all day. And when the doorbell rings, it's a Domino's guy with pizza. Hey! And maybe I'm living the dream. And maybe I've been plugged in the matrix and sleep. These people always coming negativity and trying to run some space up in my head to say they're B&B, bitch, nah. But either way, homie, I'm feeling blessed. So call me Elon Musk, I need his face from every ex. You want my heart, but this shit wouldn't stay inside my chest. And hands up in the sky like this. I'm like Wakanda. Never been taking, I've really been taking the music. It's really good part of me, but I don't get it. I label they give me a sitting, but that was like winning the lottery. Winning the academy, the what you love and the thought of the money, the top of the quality. Just to make something that really complete, more put in the face to the listener constantly. Woo! Trying to keep me hidden, but they just afraid. And locking me up in the box, but I'm Harry Houdini. Hey, you see, I got it. They push me out, I don't complain. It's treating us like Pennywise and keep us in these sewer drains. Pulling you down, your homies pouring 40s out. The scene is filled with people getting fucked. It's orgies now, and I don't need to be part of this mess. It's not what I'm about. Swoop me up and take me to a different place like Dorothy's house. See if I only had a brain and a heart. Or actually the opposite, what have you music on these charts. So fuck the wizard and the road. I'm leaving Oz, and maybe this is no religious rap, cause I'm a motherfucking god. There's something I'm thinking they really don't know. Hey, but it's getting that time of the month and I'm bringing the heaviest flow. Hey, there is some feeling, I'm bringing the party like I was a gimmick of 30 and rocking the trolls on the battling bulls like I just threw up on my spaghetti. Hey, too much stars, too many bars, too many songs, too much love, too many scars, too many people hoping that there's something they relate to. Open my Spotify and play it, man, it's just a breakthrough. Hey, that white boy is wild though. He's spitting venom like Eddie's aliens in my yo. These other rappers talking zany guns and fucking hoes. I'm trying to hit like gyms. Really cheesesteak before I head home.
Yeah.
That's the spot.
No cheese.
Ishkabibbles. Chinos. That's. This fucking song is called
Boom! Big reveal. I'm a pickle.
Pickle